Hello guys, in this video I have made a very interesting device using the nRF24L01. This is an nRF24L01 two-way communication tester. Sometimes when we work with the nRF24L01 module, we face problems. It fails to communicate, so we become confused about where the problem is. Is the wiring wrong or is our module faulty? To test the module properly, I have made this device. Here I have two units. One unit is known as the main unit. It consists of 3 push buttons and an OLED display with an Arduino Nano and an nRF24L01 module. The other unit is known as the responder. It consists of 3 LEDs and a DHT11 sensor with an Arduino Nano and an nRF24L01. When I press the 3 button on the main unit, the 3 LEDs on the responder light up and turn off. At the same time, the DHT11 temperature and humidity values are shown on the main unit wirelessly. So we can think of it as the ultimate tester. Let's see how to build it. We will need the following components. For main unit, we will need Arduino Nano, nRF24L01 module, 3 push button and an OLED display. And for the responder unit, we will need Arduino Nano, nRF24L01 module, 3 LEDs and a DHT11 sensor. And I will also use this Barrow board and female header to connect all the components in the board. I will connect all the components according to the diagram. This is the connection diagram of the main unit and this is the diagram of the responder unit. Okay guys, I have soldered all the connections on the Barrow board. Now I will just place the components. Okay, I have placed all the components on the Barrow board. Now it's time to upload the program. We need to upload 2 programs. One program for main unit and another program is for responder unit. I have provided all the code and connection diagram in my video description. Download the file and upload this 2 program. Okay, our device is now fully ready. Let's test it. So guys, I think all of you understand this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question about this video, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.